In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unread a message on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap right here to head over to your conversations, and now if we wanna unread some conversation, we can just swipe to the left. However, it shows us just two options, mute and delete. If you see the same problem here, it means that your account is a personal account as mine now. And to be able to use mute feature on Instagram, we need just to switch our account to professional or creator. Don't worry, it is completely free and anyone can do that. All you have to do is just go to your Instagram profile, then tap right here at these three lines. If we scroll down, then here we can easily find account type and tools. And then just tap at switch to professional account here. And then go through all of these steps. You are not have to be a creator or business. You can just select personal blog here or editor, whatever. It doesn't really matter what you choose here. You can also turn off display on profile and then just hit add done. And on the next step, you will be able to choose creator or business. It doesn't really matter as well what you choose here. I'm just going to hit add next. Then you can go through all of these steps to configure your professional account, or you can just close it for now. You can return back to these options later. Now we just need to check if it helps us or not. So I'm gonna go to chats list, and now if I swipe to the left, it shows me more, general and unread. By hitting add unread, I can mark any read conversation as unread in that simple way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.